Hello, AssetIT's users. I am happy to see you again as, we're releasing new features. Again! Let's dive into our brand new Predefined Kits, Advanced Filter, and Booking History. Let's get started. First up, we have the Predefined Kits. Imagine having a powerful tool that allows you to create kits of asset models, accessories, licenses, and consumables with just a few clicks. Once created, you can check out your favorite groups of IT assets for newcomers or any of your team members in a blink. Let's check. Oopsie. Here we go. Assets in MacBook Air model are assigned to Emily. In case you set a kit as a default, it will automatically be assigned to newcomers, ensuring they have all the tools they need from day one. You just need to remember to turn on its toggle in preferences. And to make sure everything is automatically checked into the system, turn on the other toggle. Now let's go check it. Remember our Emily. We have checked out a kit of MacBook Air model to her, and so she's having 2 MacBook Airs on hand. Now let's deactivate her account and see if there are any changes. Refresh the page. And here we go, Emily no longer has resources. Next, let's talk about our Advanced Filter feature. It's available for assets and accessories. Searching for them has never been easier. With a single click, you can access advanced filters to refine your searches, helping you find the assets or accessories you need quickly. Last but not least, we have Booking History. Keeping track of who booked what and when has never been this convenient. Especially, you can track the booking status. Has it been approved? Or what and when the asset is pending to make sure nothing is left behind. That's it. Visit our website to learn more and get started today.